in forgotten times, long before kings ruled men, a beast was born beneath the roots of the earth. They say he was the last of his kind, a guardian of balance, a god made flesh. But when the world turned cruel and the sky split with fire, he fell into slumber, and the jungle swallowed him whole. They built temples to forget him, but power that old never truly dies. He stirs again, not as a god, but as something darker. The drums have returned, the earth shakes beneath his breath, and no wall can hold back what's coming. He remembers the chains, he remembers the pain, and now he brings his vengeance. This is not the Kong of myth. This is not the protector they knew. This is wrath incarnate. This is extinction walking. King Kong, darkness side, pray he never finds you.